Ladies and gentlemen, let us begin with a thought so simple yet so profound. The power of transformation lies within you. Not in your circumstances, not in your neighbor, not in the headlines of the day, but within you. Transformation is not something handed to us on a silver platter. No one knocks on your door and says, here's your new life. Transformation is earned. It's cultivated, and it's developed through consistent effort and a vision for what you truly want. As we stand on the brink of a new year, it's time to ask yourself, who will you become in 2025? Not what will you have, not what will you achieve, but who will you become? The foundation of every success story begins with that single powerful question. You see, too often, people live their lives waiting for the right time, the right opportunity, the right person to come along. But waiting is not a strategy. Waiting is a habit that steals dreams and wastes potential. Instead of waiting, start building. Build yourself, your skills, your discipline, and your mindset. Life doesn't respond to complaints, it responds to action. There are no rewards for begging for attention, no prizes for hoping someone else notices your potential. Attention is not something you demand, it's something you earn by becoming valuable. The world notices those who bring value, those who solve problems, those who are willing to go the extra mile. Let's talk about growth. Growth is not automatic. It doesn't happen because the calendar flips to a new year or because you've made a wish. Growth happens when you intentionally decide to stretch beyond your comfort zone. Growth is when you invest in your education, when you develop new habits, when you practice discipline, even when no one is watching. Discipline, my friends, is the bridge between goals and achievement. Without discipline, dreams remain fantasies. With discipline, dreams become reality. Discipline is saying no to distractions so you can say yes to your future. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Success is not reserved for the lucky or the talented. It's reserved for those who are willing to put in the work. It's reserved for those who are willing to show up every day, not just when it's convenient, not just when they feel motivated, but every single day. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline is steadfast. Now let's address one of the greatest barriers to transformation: excuses. Excuses are the lies we tell ourselves to avoid responsibility. Excuses rob you of your power because they place the blame outside of yourself. When you eliminate excuses, you take control. When you take control, you take charge of your future. There's a simple formula for success: learn, do, and become. Learn the skills, the knowledge, the mindset that will take you where you want to go. Then take action. Don't wait until you have all the answers. Start with what you know and grow along the way. Finally, become the person who is capable of achieving the vision you hold for your life. Understand this: you cannot outperform your self-image. If you see yourself as limited, you will live a limited life. If you see yourself as capable, you will find a way to achieve your goals. Changing your self-image is one of the most powerful transformations you can make. Begin to see yourself as someone who is capable, deserving, and ready for success. Remember, the habits you build today will shape your tomorrow. Are your current habits aligned with the future you want to create? If not, it's time for a change. Change is not always easy, but it's always possible. The secret to change is not to overhaul your life in one grand gesture, but to make small, consistent improvements every day. Small changes compound over time to create extraordinary results. In 2025, let's commit to excellence. Excellence is not about being perfect. It's about doing your best with what you have. It's about showing up with integrity, giving your all, and refusing to settle for mediocrity. Excellence is a habit, and like all habits, it's built through repetition. Let's also talk about your circle. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset and your success. Are the people in your life encouraging you to grow, or are they holding you back? Choose your circle wisely, because their influence can either elevate you or weigh you down. Surround yourself with those who inspire, challenge, and support your journey. As you move forward, keep in mind that success is not a straight line. There will be setbacks, obstacles, and failures. But failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of the process. Every failure is a lesson. Every obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger. And every setback is a setup for a comeback. In closing, let me remind you of this truth: you are the author of your story. No one else has the pen. If you don't like the way your story is unfolding, pick up the pen and start writing a new chapter. The year 2025 is a blank page waiting for you to fill it with courage, determination, and action. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time doesn't exist. Start now. Take the first step, no matter how small. Believe in your ability to change, grow, and succeed. And most importantly, commit to becoming the best version of yourself. The future belongs to those who are willing to create it. Be bold, be disciplined, and let your actions speak louder than your words. This is your time. This is your year. Transform your life not by chance, but by choice. Now go out there and make 2025 your year of transformation. The world is waiting for your greatness.